Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development. So basically in this class we will see what is this domain name and the web hosting. So the place from where we will be taking our domain name and the web hosting is known as the hostinger.com. So this website provides the best services as of now which I came across. So now let me just tell you the difference between the web hosting and the domain name. Okay, so whenever you go to some website like this is a website, okay, so this website got a name known as a hostinger.in. okay, so when I say this website got a name as a www.hostinger.in, this is known as the domain of this particular website. Okay, so Hostinger has a domain as www.hostinger.in. if you are going to the Amazon, okay, if I'm just going to the Amazon, then Amazon got a domain name like www.amazon.in. okay, so this is the name of the website is basically known as the domain. So if suppose now you want to have the domain name of your own, if suppose I want to have my website in my name like Akshay Maker, then I could have a website like www.akshaymaker.com, akshaymaker.in, then akshaymaker.org. okay, so basically this is the name of the website with which we refer a website, that is known as the domain name. And there is one more concept when it comes to the web development, and that concept is known as a web hosting. okay, so when I refer this website Amazon, let me just open this website. Okay, so now when I'm like at whatever corner of the world I may be, when I go to the amazon.in, I am taken to the Amazon website. okay, so when I type out this address, which is www.amazon.in, I am taken to this website which got some images, then some products, then all this stuff what you see on the screen. So basically all these images and all these colors, then all these products, if suppose I'm going to the category of mobiles, then the data about these mobiles, all this data of this website is stored on one place known as the web hosting. okay, so you can say that web hosting is basically the place which holds the data of your website. okay, so you could say it's some sort of database which is keeping the data of your website. Whenever any user will be typing out name of your website, then all the data about your website will be fetched from a web hosting. okay, so now I hope this concept is clear. So now let me just take you to the Hostinger. So Hostinger is the website which provides you these facilities. okay, it will provide you the facility of the domain name and a web hosting. So now let me just scroll down. So basically, if suppose you want to have only one website, if suppose you are starting a business, or if you want a website of your own name, then this is the basic plan which will help you to host only a single website. And it will help you to host a single website. It will also help you to create one email. Then it will work smoothly even if it is visited by hundreds of thousands of visitors. Then it will give you one SSL certificate. So SSL certificate is basically important, which will tell your visitor that your website is safe. okay, so now as can be seen, this website is getting this log. okay, so this website is getting this log because this website is having the SSL certificate. Just click on this, and as can be seen, if I'm just clicking on the certificate, this is the SSL certificate of this website. okay, so if suppose you are building a product selling website in which in order to sell something you are asking for payment or money from a particular user, okay, from your customers, then in order to accept the payment, your website need to be safe and secured. okay, so in order to make your website safe and secured, your website should have the SSL certificate. And from Hostinger you are getting this SSL certificate absolutely free. okay, so forget about all these other items. But if you want to host multiple websites on the single web hosting, then this is the premium plan which you could take. This will allow you to host almost hundreds of websites, and you can even create the hundreds of email accounts. This is basically the separate concept which as of now, as a beginner, you people won't understand, so just don't focus on this. And now let me just tell you how to get a very cheap domain name and a web hosting from this Hostinger, or to be more precise, how to get a very good discount. okay, so in order to get a good discount, just go to this link which is hostinger.in, then the / coupons, and just scroll down, And over here, if you are taking a web hosting, then you will get a domain name absolutely free. Okay, so just click on this use coupon. Just make use of this first coupon what you see over here. Click on this. Okay, so if you are using this coupon, you will basically get the 80% off. Okay, and when it comes to the web hosting, you will get domain name absolutely free for 1 year. Okay, so this is the plan what we are getting over here. It is always good idea to select the plan for 12 months. So I will select this plan, and after that, if I'm just scrolling down, it says you are eligible for free domain. Okay, so now suppose I want a domain in my name. First of all, we have to check the availability. Okay, it's like a username. Okay, so when we go to the Instagram and all, so some usernames already taken. If that particular website name is already taken, if suppose I want amazon.in over again, then I cannot take it because amazon.in domain name is already taken by the Amazon. Okay, so I cannot take this. So you have to check the availability of your name, and whether you want your domain name to be of a .com type, .in, .site, .tech, .shop, .online, you can just select that type from this category. Okay, so if suppose I want akshaymaiko.com, then I have to just select whatever I want, and I have to search whether it is available or not. If it is available, then only I can take it. Okay, so now I'm getting this domain because it is available, and the period is 1 year. So over here, as can you see in the this is the premium web hosting. Okay, since this is a premium web hosting, so it will cost me 2,748, and I'm getting the domain name absolutely free along with the SSL certificate. Then you can just click on this checkout and do the this payment process. I will show you guys how to do this payment process. I mean, how to follow the things after this in the next tutorial, where I'll be showing you guys a slideshow in which I'll be showing you, I will be telling you guys exactly how to carry out the procedure. But as of now, I would like to stop over here. And if you want, you can just take this web hosting plan for 12 months. You can even take for 24 months, then the 48 months, and even for 1 month. Okay, so just select whatever plan that you want and click on the checkout. Okay, so thanks for watching, but let me just go back over here, and if suppose you want to take this single plan, let's see what happens if I want to take the single plan. So basically the plan which we had taken over here, this is the premium plan. On the premium plan, you can just host more than one website. Okay, you can almost host hundreds of websites on the web hosting of the premium plan. But when it comes to this single plan, if you are taking the single plan, as can be seen, single plan is a bit costly. Okay, so it will cost you somewhere around 6,000. So from my point of view, you should be sticking to this plan, which will cost you 3,257. So yeah, if you want, you can just go with this plan because we are getting the discount which is 80% off, and because of which we got a very good discount over here. Okay, so please click on the checkout now if you want to take the domain name and the web hosting. Okay, so thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial I will show you how to carry out the further process. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So previously in our previous tutorials you must have seen how to register for the domain name and web hosting. So now what I'll do is I won't be wasting my more money in taking the domain name and the web hosting. So these are some of the screen recordings which I have which I took while I was registering for aestheticdebonair.com domain, and for this domain I had taken the web hosting. So that time I had taken few screenshots. So I will show you how to do that now. Henceforth I'll be showing you these screenshots. So this is the first screenshot. So these are number of the items which I have in inside of my this cart, which is web hosting, which cost around 2,748. This is the premium web hosting in which I could register whatever number of the domains I want, and then I got one SSL certificate for free, and this is my domain name which cost me around 12 rupees. Next, once you do that, I mean after you are done adding all the items to your cart, just click on pay now, After that you will get this payment options. Select whatever payment option that you are comfortable with. I had selected this first option, which is Visa and MasterCard option. Then you will be taken to this tab where you have to enter your card details, like a name on the card, then the card number, expiry date, CVC number, etc, etc. And once you are done with that, you will get the option down below. Just click on that, and after that, once you are done with the payment, you will be taken to this page. You just have to click on the start now. So when you click on the start now, you will get this tab, this page where this domain name, whatever domain name that is selected by you, you will get that domain name present over here. You just have to select the domain name and click on select. After that, you have to enter your first name, last name, then the address, state, country, all these details you have to fill, including your phone number, and click on this finished domain registration. So basically this is the registration process for your domain, whatever domain name that you are taking. And once you are done with that, click on this tab which says build a new website. Okay, then after selecting this, after clicking on this tab, you will be taken to this page where you have to select on this WordPress option. Okay, you just have to select this option over here. Just click on this select, and once you are done with that, you have to remember this email ID and the password really very carefully. Okay, so just make note of this. Whatever email ID and the password that you enter over here, this is used by you in order to log in inside of your website. So this is really very important. Just remember the email ID and password that you enter over here, then click on continue. And yeah, this is the same slide. And once you're done with that, after that you have to select a template over here. Okay, so there are a number of the templates which are given over here. You can select whatever template that suits you. From my point of view, you should be selecting the ASTRA. Okay, so just click over here inside of the search and type ASTRA, and if you are getting the ASTRA theme, then select that one, or you can just select whatever theme that you want over here. You are free to do so. There are a lot many themes present over here. You can select whatever you want. And yeah, this many number of the themes which are present over here. Whenever you will hover on any of this theme, you will get this select option. Just click on this select, and once you select that particular theme, that theme will be used for your website. Okay, and after that it will take some time to set up things for you. So it will take at least 5 minutes, and once the setup has been done, you will get this option which is finish setup. Just click on this, and it will do a few more environment setup thing. And once the entire thing has been done, then the next step is uploading files. This all these steps will be carried out by this web hosting automatically. You don't have to take attention about it. Then you'll be taken to the dashboard of the hostinger. This is the dashboard. If this option is off, then you have to just click over here and turn it on. Okay, so this is your related to your SSL certificate. So just turn it on. If it is off, by default it is off. Currently this is the this option is off. Just click on this and it will turn it on. Okay, and yeah, this is the same slide. And after that, this is the dashboard. Okay, so just scroll down below, just take the slider down below. Okay, so just drag it down below, and after that, at the end of the page, you will get this you will see this option which is install another WordPress. Click on install. Okay, and once you are done with that, you just have to click on this your domain name, and you will be able to preview the theme what is selected by you for your website. Okay, so just click on this domain which is selected by you, and you will see some output on the page. Okay, in the next tutorial I will show you how to log in inside of your website and carry out the changes. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is all about how to carry out the procedure after you are done with the payment. Okay, so thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So today we will see how to log into your website. Okay, so in order to log into your website, first of all you have to enter the name of your website. So basically name of my website is aestheticdebonair.com. After that you have to give one backslash. You have to say wp-admin and again one forward slash, and you have to enter. Okay, so after this your WordPress admin panel will be opened up. So this is your WordPress admin panel. You have to enter your username and username or email and password over here. But if you don't want to enter your username and password over again and again, then what you can do is you can just enter your username or email ID once and the password once, and just click on this remember me tab over here, and you just have to click on login. And once you're done with that, you will be logged into your website. Okay, so let me just enter my username and password. Okay, so this is my username, and which is basically the email and the password. Then I will say login, and once you enter your correct details, you will be logged in, and you will be directly taken to the dashboard of your website, from where you can control all the functionalities of your website. Okay, so this is how you can log into your website. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically today we will be looking at the introduction of dashboard of WordPress. So this is the WordPress dashboard. All the required information like the statistics of your website and everything, you will see all those details over here. So if you want to add something over here, then just click on the screen option. Then you can just select whatever you want to see on your dashboard over here. You can enable these options. Whatever you want to see, you can just enable it. Whatever you don't want to see, you can just remove that all those things. If you want, you can dismiss it. You can just click on this drop down and see the details. Okay, you can even position them the way you want. Okay, this is how you can change the position. So this was all about the dashboard. Next we have the home and update. These are just two options, and this is the post option. Whatever post that you write, you will find all those posts over here. If you want, you can edit a new post, which I'll be showing you guys in the future classes, but as of now this is just the introduction. And next option what we have is this media option. So whatever media your website is having, like the images, videos, whatever that is, you will find all that media option over here. You can just, if you want, you can even edit it. All the pages which are there on your website, all those pages will be beneath this tab. Okay, so basically a website has the home page, then about us page, contact us page, privacy page. So these are some of the pages, and all those pages you will find inside or under this tab. And all the comments that you get on your post, you will find all those comments over here. So this is the Elementor option. So basically this is a plugin which is installed by me, and because of which I'm getting this tab. I will show you guys what are these plugins and how to install them, and how to carry out the process. But as of now, you don't have to be worried about it. And this is the template option, where all the templates are stored. Over again, this is the useless tab. We won't be referring to this. And next we have is appearance. Appearance is basically how your website looks. Okay, so how to change the look of your website, how to customize your menu, and all the other options, you will find them over here. And next is the plugin section. So plugins are basically like small apps that we add on our website to give some additional functionalities to our website, or change the look, or do some task. All these things will be installed over here under this plugin section. And next is the user tab. So if your website is having if your website is like a school management system, or your website is selling products, or whatever that is, and if someone enters their details like the name, username, email ID, etc, password, and all that data will be stored under this user tab. And next is this tools. So tools basically as of now it is not required by us, but if in the future if we are in need of this tab, I will be introducing you guys to this tab. And the next is the setting tab. And over here you can change the setting of your website, like how your website should look, whether what name your website should be having, what logo you should give to your website. Okay, how the links of your website should look. All these things will come under the settings tab. I will teach you guys about all these things in the future, but as of now this is all about the desktop or the dashboard of WordPress. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I will be explaining all these steps in the future classes in depth, in detail, but as of now this is the introduction. So thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. And basically in our previous classes we have seen the introduction to the dashboard, and what are the different things that are present on the dashboard of WordPress. So today in this class we will be looking at how to change the appearance of our website. Okay, so by default this is the theme of our website. If suppose you want to change the theme of your website, then you just have to click on this appearance, click on themes option, which is present over here, and these are some of the optional themes which are present over here. But if you want to change it to something else, then you can just search for new options, click on add new, and if you want, you can even upload the theme if you have downloaded the theme from somewhere else, and if you want to use that, then you can do that by uploading it. Just click on upload, then choose your file and click on install. Okay, but as of now I won't be doing that. I will be selecting one of the template present over here. Let me see which one to choose. Okay, so I will go with this one. I will say install, and once the installation has been done, I have to activate it. Okay, so now I have to activate this theme, and now if I'm just going over here and refreshing my website, this is that theme which was installed by me, and this is how it looks. If you want, you can customize it, and I will show you guys exactly how to do the customization. So this is how you can change the theme of your website, and you can even customize this. I will show you how to do that in our future classes step by step. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorial of WordPress, and in this class we will be looking at how to make a menu. Okay, so this option what we have, this is our menu. Okay, so we will see how to customize this one. So in order to customize our menu, currently our menu is having options like home, price, contact, my account, checkout, cart, and shop. So okay, so these are the options present over here. Okay, so all these options that you see, all of them are present horizontally aligned over here. So now suppose I want to change the configuration. If suppose I want to move the shop in place of price, then I can do that. I will just move it at the top over here. Okay, so and now suppose I want this contact to be under of the my account, then I can do that. Just keep this under this option. Now I will put the checkout and the cart also under this my account section, and I will say save menu. Okay, and now I'll come over here and refresh my page. Okay, so now this is my home, this is my shop, this is my price, and this is my account. And under account I am having these 3 tabs. I am getting these 3 tabs under my account because I have put them in this manner. If suppose I want to add a few more options over here, like these are my pages. Okay, so all the pages that are created over there under this pages tab, all these pages are present over here. Now if suppose I want to add something like category, okay, I can add category also. Sometimes we happen to throw the post according to the categories, so I can add the category over here. In order to do that, first of all I have to create one category, and after that only I can add it. But as of now I am having this coach and the earn category option. I will select both of them. I will say add to the menu, and I am getting those options over here. I will say save. Okay, now I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so I'm getting on both of those categories over here. But now if suppose I want to remove something, then I will click on this. I will say remove. Click on this. I will say remove. Okay, so this is how you can remove it. If you want to give the custom links, like if suppose I want to give the link of YouTube over here. Okay, I will say give the name as YouTube, and let me just go to the YouTube. And let me just give that link over here. So basically for study purpose I'm showing you guys how to add the external links, and that YouTube link is present over here. I will save this. Just wait for this turn into blue. Okay, and now I will come over here and refresh. Okay, so now I'm getting that YouTube option over here. Okay, so this is how you can add items to your menu. Okay, And now if suppose you want to create some different menu and all, then you can do that also. You just have to say create a new menu, and you just have to give the name. I will say this is as menu 2, and I will say create menu, and over again I will add whatever things I want. I will say add to menu, and yeah, this is how you can create your menu over here. Okay, I will say save. And if you don't want this menu, you can delete it. You just have to say delete menu and it will be gone. Okay guys, so this is how you can create a different menu, but as of now this menu what we have, this is known as the primary menu, which will be present on my home page. And as of now this is how our empty website looks. So I will show you how to edit this in our future classes. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development, and in this class we will see this settings tab, in which we will see how to change the setting of our website and all. So basically this is the name of our website, which is aestheticdebonair.com, and this is the tagline. Okay, so if I'm just going over here, I don't know how to show you all guys that. Okay, so this is the tagline of our website, which will come over here. Okay, so it basically tells about our website, what kind of website we are building. So I will say this is web development. Okay, and this is our website address and this is our site address. So this is all about which tells about our website. And next what we have is administration email address. Okay, so currently I'm the administrator, so because of which I'm my website is shown over here. And if you want to add membership, then you can just click on this, so then anyone could register for your website. Okay, and new user, by default whenever any user will be added to your website, that person will be added to the database as a subscriber. Okay, you can say customer or shop manager, editor, author, you can give them these permissions. Okay, and this is our, and one more thing guys, never set this option as administrator. Okay, so when you say set this option as administrator, any person who is enrolling to your website could work as administrator and can make any changes to your website. So these are few things which you have to keep in mind. And this is the time zone. Let's just keep it that way only. And this is how, this is the date format, how date will be shown on our website. Okay, so if you want to show the date in this format, you can change this to click over here, but I would like to keep it this way only. This is the time format. And whenever you make any changes to any tab, just click on this save changes. And once your changes get saved, you just have to come and refresh in order to see whether the changes have been propagated to your website or not. Okay, so this is the subtitle which was changed by us, the tagline, and which has been propagated over here. Okay, so this is all about the general rules. And the next what we have is a writing. Okay, so whenever you write any post, so basically in order to write a post, you have to just go to this tab, and you have to say add new, and add a post. By default, whenever any post will be published, by default it will have the category as uncategorized, and currently there are two categories, which is coach and uncategorized. If you want, you can create multiple categories. I will show you how to do that. And default page format will be standard. You can just choose whatever format you want. And these are some other details of our website, but as of now we won't be touching this. Next is reading section. Okay, so whenever anyone will be opening your website, your home page will be displayed. Okay, so we will say it's a static page, and first page which we want to show is our home page. If you want, you can change it to something else also, but let's just keep it home page only. And if you want to show the post page, then you can just select this post page. Okay, so whenever any user will be coming to this address, whatever that is selected by you, if suppose I'm saying contact, let's just see. If suppose now I'm coming over here and refreshing, contact page is shown. Okay, so all those options could be manipulated by you from this place. Let me just directly divert the person to the home page, and blog page is shown. At most will be 10 post. If you want, you can just increase or decrease the size, and syndication feed shown. The most recent will be 10 items. So there are some of the other options present over here which you can just change if you want. And next is the discussion section. So default post settings, so these are some of the default post setting, like allow the people to submit the comments on the new post. Some people don't want the comments on their post, so they prefer to disable this. Allow the link notification, attempt to notify any blog links to from the post, etc, etc. Okay, so these are some of the options, and these are the comment setting. Comment author must fill out the names and the emails. So basically, whenever commenting on your post, if you want to collect their name and the email, enable this option. Then these are some of the other options which you can just go and read. And next is a media section. So over here you can just select the thumbnail and all. Okay, so thumbnail is basically if you are going to the YouTube and all. Let me just take you to the YouTube. This image what you see on this video, this is not the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the thumbnail of this video, this is the thumbnail of this video. Okay, so this is how this thumbnail thing is working. This basically specifies the width of the thumbnail, and this basically tells the height of the thumbnail, and this is the media size, then the large size, etc, etc. If you want, you can change them. Okay, so whenever you write post and all, post by default have some image which is known as the featured image, and these are the dimensions of that image. Okay, so you can change the change those details from here. And the next what we have is permalinks. So permalinks is basically when you write a post and all, how you want your post to be displayed. Okay, so if I'm just going over here, as of now I don't think we are having any post. Okay, so I'm having this one post which is the hello world, and currently that post looks something like this. Okay, so it is saying name of my website /index.php, then it is throwing the date, then the name of the post. Okay, so this is the permalink of this post. If you want, you can just change it. Okay, currently that post is in this format, but if suppose I want to display the name of the post after my website link, then I can just I would select this option. This is the best option. Now suppose I am selecting and saving this, and let me just refresh this. Now this will change. Okay, okay, so now as can be seen, now format has changed. It is showing the date and the post name. Okay, so this is how you can implement the changes. And next is a privacy section. Okay, so whenever we publish a blog or publish a website, it should have the privacy policies. Okay, so this is the section for the privacy policies. You can just use the privacy policy. This is already privacy policy page present over here, or you can create your very own privacy policy page and upload it over here. Okay, so privacy policy is must. So whenever you create a blog, your blog should have a home page, about us page, contact us page, privacy page. So these are some of the pages which are necessary, important, and should have. Okay, so just make note of these things. You can either use this privacy page or you can create your own. So this was all about the setting steps. Thanks for watching. Okay, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically today we will be looking at this post tab. Okay, so how to write a post, and what is this post, and how to categorize them, everything. So now this is the post tab, and just click on this all the post, and whatever post that are written by you will be visible over here. Okay, so as of now there are 2 posts, and over here you will see the author who has written this post. Email ID of that particular author will be shown. So if suppose you are having a website, and that website is having 2 admins, 2 people are writing or publishing content on that website, then their details will be shown over here. Okay, so this is the category of the post. Okay, so in which category you have published your post will be shown. Okay, so if suppose I am a web developer and creating the courses, then I'll be having the category like the HTML course, then the CSS course, JavaScript course. If your website is all about recipes, then your website will have the categories like sweet dish, then there's a starters, menu, then the dinner, etc, etc. Okay, so these are some of the categories. So you can create those categories, and post has tags, and over here this comments will be shown, number of the comments, and this is the date of publishing. Okay, so let me just show you how to write a post. Click on this add new. Okay, so once you click on this add new, this is the page where you can write your post. You can do one thing, you can say edit with Elementor. This will actually make your work really very easy and simple. I will be working with the Elementor. Okay, so now you can do one thing, just select this inner section, drag and drop. Okay, and it is having two columns. I just want only one column, so I will just right click and say delete. I will just delete one option over here. I will click on this square button. I want one header, and I will say this is my first post over here, and after that I will just align this at the center. I will select everything, I will click on the center tab, and it will be getting aligned at the center. So now next what I'll do is I will write a paragraph. Okay, so click on this, say text editor, drag and drop. This is not working. Okay, so over here I will write my paragraph. By default this paragraph is having some text. If you want you can just copy this, I'll paste it over here. Okay, so as of now it is having two paragraphs over here. So next what I'll do is if suppose you want to add some list and all, so list of items, then I will say this is my list items. Okay, and when it comes to adding the list items, I will make use of these bullet points or numbers. So I will make use of the numbers. Okay, and this is my first item. I will say this is the item 2. Okay, and I will say this as item 3, and you can just write over here also, no issues. Okay, I will say item 4, item 5. Okay, and this is how you can edit these bullet points. And once you're done with that, just again click on this in order to disable that option, otherwise it will just write everything in the form of points. Okay, and the next is insert link. Okay, so now if I'm just going, still that option is enabled. Okay, now that option is gone. If suppose now I want to give the link to something, link to some text, I will say this is a link of YouTube. Okay, and now suppose I want to give the link to this text, and I will select all these things, and I will click on this link, and I just have to now copy this link of YouTube or YouTube video, whatever you want to make use of, and I will just paste it over here. Okay, so just paste that over here, and done. Just select this, click on this link, paste it over here. Once you paste the link over here, you just have to say apply. Okay, so now this is a clickable link. Whenever anyone will come and click on this link, that person will be taken to this link of YouTube. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will come over here down below, and now suppose I want to center this, then I can do that also. let me just move this text, so center. Okay, so now let me just show you the other options present over here. So now suppose you want to display the video, then just drag and drop, and this is the video tab, and let me just go to, I will say, copy link address, and I will paste that over here. Okay, and that video will be present on my blog post. So this is how you can edit the videos. And next, if suppose you want the spacing between any two elements, if suppose I want some spacing over here, I will just drag and drop, and now I'm getting this little bit of space. You can just increase the space in order to get a little bit of extra space. Next option what we have is icons. If you want, you can add the icons over here. So this is my icon. You can just go to the icon library and select whatever icon that you want. I will just insert this one, and whether you want this circular or round, you can just select that. I will just go for circle. Then this is the styling. You can just change this size, and you can just change the padding and all. Padding is basically the outer spacing, and this is the rotation. If you want to rotate it and all, then you can do that. So this is the hover option. Whenever a user will be hovering on it, what you want to do. Okay, so when a user will hover, I want to just give some animation like that of this one. Okay, so this animation looks good. Okay, so this also looks good. Okay, so basically this is how you can give the animation, and these are the advanced settings. If you want, you can give them, but as of now there are many options present over here, and all of them looks good. You can just go for it and see how to write your blog post. Okay, so there are also many other options present over here. You can make use of them. You can even put the social sharing options. Then you can even make use of this SoundCloud. Okay, so just go through these options. I will just say publish, and this is my first blog post which is published by me, and then I will go back. Okay, so this was that post. Okay, let me just again go back and refresh this. Okay, so this was that post. It got the name as a Elementor because we have added that with the Elementor. I will click on edit. Now you have to just give the name over here. I will say my first post. Okay, so whenever you are writing any post, you have to just give the name, and right from this place you can give the tags and everything. Okay, so this is the permalink of my post. If you want, you can just change it. I will say my first post. Okay, so this will be the link of my post, and this is how the post link would look, and this is the category. You can create a new category. Just now in our previous tutorial I have talked about the category, so you can give the categories over here, okay, and you can say this as a parent category, and say add new category. If suppose so you want to add let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so if I'm just having the category like the veg and non-veg, if suppose there is a veg category, this will work as a parent category, and inside of the veg, if suppose I want to give some different categories like palak paneer, okay, so palak paneer, and I can just say this category will come under this veg category. I will add this. Okay, so as can be seen, this palak paneer is coming under the category of veg. Okay, so this is how you can give the parent category and child categories. And what I'll do is I will add this my first post to the category of the first post, and over here you can add the text. Okay, so whatever text that you want to write, give, or you can give them from this place. Okay, so this is how you have to add the text, and this is the featured image. Okay, so your post will be having your featured image, but if I'm just coming over here and refreshing my website, then this is that recent post. If I'm just clicking on that post which is added by me, this is that post which looks something like this, which was written by me. Okay, so as of now our website looks horrible because we are designing it. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will select the featured image. As of now my post is not having any featured image over here, so I will give the featured image like I will set this as my featured image, and I will say update. If I'm just coming over here and refreshing, then now as can be seen, my post is having this featured image. Okay, so this is how you can give the image to your blog post. Okay, so if your post is about a recipe of palak paneer, then you can just display the image of palak paneer over here. If you're having the website of this making the recipes and all. Okay, so this is how you can write your first post. Now if I'm just going back, you will find all those posts that are written by you over here. Okay, if you want to add new, you can just add it over here, and if you want to display the post according to the categories, then you will find all those categories present over here, whatever categories that are created by you. Then if you want to find something according to the text, then you will find all the tags present over here, but as of now we have not created any tags, so we won't be seeing them, but we will see them in the future. Okay, so I think this much is enough introduction about the post. Thanks for watching. So okay guys, so basically this is how our website looks. So in this class we will see how to customize this website. Okay, so in order to customize, go to appearance, and under appearance click on this customize option. Okay, so first option what we have is site check layout. So let's see what happens. So basically over here it was supposed to give us some layouts which we could select, but as of now this is the plugin, this is the theme which we have selected, so it is not having any layout, but few sites they have the layout which you can change. And next is site identity. So site identity is basically the name of your website and the this tagline and the logo of your website. Okay, so you can change all those things from this section. So let me just upload one very random logo. So let me just go to the uploaded files, and I will choose this as a logo from my website. Okay, and now I'll select this image as logo. But when it comes to logo, this is the format of the logo. Okay, your logo looks something like this, so because of which I'm getting this arrow kind of a thing, because this image is in the square format, but the logo is always in kind of a landscape format. But let me just crop this because this is just a tutorial and I'm showing you guys how that would look. So basically your logo would be appearing over here. Okay, so just design your logo properly and upload it. You can again remove it and you can change it. this is my website tagline, which this tagline which is appearing over here. Okay, so this is how you can select your logo, and just make sure that whenever you are designing your site logo, you should be having your site logo is basically your logo would appear somewhere over here. Okay, so let me just show you. I'm just selecting this as a site logo and uploading it. Now okay, so as can be seen, this is the name of your website. Your name of your website would come over here, and your site logo would be appearing over here. Okay, so you will see somewhere you will see it somewhere over here. Let me just publish these changes, and let me just refresh. Okay, so now as can be seen, this is my site logo which appears over here, and this is the logo of my website. Okay, so whatever logo you want to show over here, you have to upload it at this place, and this is my website logo. Okay, so this is all about our website identity. Next is colors. So as can be seen, this is the black color, then we have this yellow color for our menu. If you want to change it to something like blue and all, then you can do that. Okay, so now our website looks a little bit better. I will just publish it, and this is the header text color. So whatever text my header is having, this is its color. Then this is the background color in the sense the background what you see over here. If I want to change this to something like gray and all, then I can do that. Let me just publish this. Okay, so as of now it is not that visible, but let's see what we have next. So this is the header image. I actually don't know what this header image do, but this was the image what was selected by me, but it would be better if you are keeping this black. Okay, so just keep it blank only. And next we have the background image. Background image is basically, if suppose you want to have the background image for your entire website, then you can do that from this place. If I am just selecting this as the background image for my entire website, then this would look something like this. Okay, so this image has been selected for entire background. Let me just select some bigger image. Let me just select this one. Okay, so as can be seen, this image has been selected as a background for my entire website. Okay, so this will actually give you a good look, but I would like to suggest you guys don't keep this background image, but if you want you can keep this. Actually looks good, but let me just remove this because I don't want any background image for my website. Next is menus. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can create your menus, but if you want, you can even customize your menus. I have already shown you guys how to create your menus. So menu is basically this one, these options what we have. You can select them from this place. Okay, and you can customize your menu from this place over here. And next is widgets. Okay, so blocks sidebar. Okay, so this sidebar what we have on the right hand side, this has the options like the search, then the recent posts, the recent comments, archives, categories, meta. Okay, and all these categories are present over here. So if you want to just move this upside down, then you can just do that. Okay, and all those changes will be propagated over here. And if suppose I want to remove this meta, I would say remove. If I don't want categories, I will remove categories also. Okay, and all those changes will be getting propagated over here. I just have to say publish. It is not getting published. I don't know for what reason. Okay, and all those changes will be getting propagated over here. I think because of net connection, or I don't know for what reason, but it is not getting published. Okay, what's the issue with this? Okay, let's just go back. And next is a header widget. So basically if you want to add something inside of your header, this is basically the header part, then you can do that. Let me just show you. Suppose I want to add the calendar, then I can add the calendar, but let me just show something that is visible. If suppose I want to add navigation bar, then I will say nav1. I just have to give the name, and I just have to say which navbar I want to show. I will say primary, and I will say done, and I will say publish. So guys, there is one error, I don't know what is that, and because of which my changes are not getting saved. We have done some, looks like something's gone wrong. Let's just wait for a while and see what happens. Okay, so we are having network issues, so I will continue this once my network issues have been resolved, my Wi-Fi have been turned off. I will be back in a minute, just give me some time. So okay guys, we have resolved the network issues. Now our Wi-Fi is back. So now let me just show you the menu part. This is the place where we have left last time, I guess. Okay, block sidebar. Okay, so this sidebar is having the search, this recent post, recent comments, all these options. Okay, so if you want, you can edit something new. I don't know what to add. Okay, whatever you want to add from this tab, you can add it. Whatever you don't want, you can just remove it. If suppose I don't want this meta tab, I will say remove, and it will be gone. Okay, so now it's gone. So basically this is how you can just do things. So you can just rearrange the menu the way you want, and once you are done making the changes, just say publish, and all those changes will be getting replicated over here. And next is the header widget. So basically this is our header part. Whatever changes that you want to make over here, you can just do that from this place. If suppose I want to add the search in the header, I will say search one. You can just give any name. So basically this is just a naming process, and now I am having that search option present over here, but we have the search option present in the right sidebar, so we will just delete it. Okay, so this is just for your understanding that we can just make changes. You can even click on this pencil icon, and you can make changes to all these things. Okay, if you want to change this menu, then you can just click on this. You can just say edit menu, and you can edit the items over here to this menu present on our tab. And next what we have is header social icon. Okay, so next option we have this social icons. If you want to give the link of the Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, LinkedIn, whatever that is, you can just do that. I will say www.facebook.com, and ecstatic. Okay, so I'm just doing this for purpose of doing, so I will just give this link. You just give your proper link. Okay, I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose. Now if suppose I want to give the link of the Instagram and all, click to show this section. Let me just see how it looks. Okay, now that Facebook option is present over here, I'm getting this Facebook option. Then the Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn is also present. I don't know what's the issue with this Instagram. Let me just see whether Instagram is coming or not. This is basically the Twitter section, but I'm giving the link of Instagram. Okay, the logo of Twitter will be shown, but link I have provided of Instagram. They have not provided a link for Instagram and all. I don't know for what reason, but you can give, but it will show the logo of Twitter, by the way. Okay, and next is a sidebar section. Sidebar is basically this one. So whatever you want to show at the sidebar, you can just okay, it's not a sidebar, it's a slide bar. Okay, so basically you must have already came across these slides on a website and all, then you must be knowing it. Okay, so this is the these are the slides what will be shown, and in the background we are having this image. Okay, so people must already came across these sliding options, and if you want, you can add the button and all. Okay, so you can give any text. Okay, so then you will get this button which says click me or click here, but as of now we won't be giving this because this actually don't look so good, because it is conflicting with our header. So I will do one thing, I will just uncheck this, and that slide option will be gone. And next what we have is a 3-page box section. This actually won't look good, but let me just show you how this will be looking. I will select some random pages, and if I'm just showing this on my website, it will be showing you 3 columns. Okay, so this is that section, but as I have told you earlier also, this won't look good and is actually not looking so good. So I will just uncheck this, and I will just go back, and this is the additional CSS which actually don't have anything. If you want to if you are aware of the CSS language, and if you want to write some code in CSS, then you can just write that code over here. Okay, so if you want to change the position of something, some colors, and give a little bit of more decoration, then you can do that from this place of by messing with the CSS. Okay, so this is the additional CSS part, and this is all about the customization, guys. This is how you can make the changes. Thanks for watching. This was all about customizations and how to change the look of your website. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development. So previously we have seen how to build a website with the help of the WordPress and different type of plugins, and in this class we will be making use of we will be looking at how to make use of 2 themes simultaneously. Okay, if suppose I want this theme for my home page, and if suppose I'm having this shop page, and for shop page, if suppose I want some different theme, I can do that. Okay, and in order to make use of the 2 themes simultaneously, I will go to plugins, I will say add new, and there is one plugin known as a multiple themes. Let me just search. Okay, so this is that plugin. You just have to install and activate. Okay, so now that theme has been activated. Now let me just search where it got installed. It should be under appearances. Okay, this is that. Now I'm having this option which says multiple themes plugin. I will click on this, and now from this place you can make the changes. Okay, so this is my home site, and it got this theme by default. You don't have to make any changes over here. So now what I want is I want to make after coming to this shop page, I want to give a different theme. Okay, so I will just copy this link because I want to make changes to the shop page. This is the link of the shop page. Then I will come over here, and where is that option? Okay, so click on this URL. You have to paste that URL over here, and for this shop, which theme you want, you can just select that. I will go with the news. Okay, so news theme which is installed by me, I will make use of that. I will just save. It is taking a little bit of time to get things done. Okay, so now this theme has been set. As you can see, I'm getting this option now which you can change afterwards, or if you don't want this particular theme for this link, then you can just select this and you can just delete, and it will go away. Okay, but as of now, let's just go and refresh this shop page, and let's see whether the changes have been implemented or not. Okay, so now as can be seen, when you come to this shop page, I am having the different theme. But if suppose I am going to my home page, I will be having that previous theme. Okay, so previous one which we have installed. Okay, so as can be seen, now as of now we are having the two different themes. So this is how you can install the two different themes for two different pages. Even if you want to make use of the multiple themes for multiple pages, you can do that as well. Okay, so now if suppose you want to make use of a different theme like that of this 2017 for some different URL like that of for accounts, let me just go to accounts. Okay, so this is the link of my accounts. So I will copy this, I will come over here and I will save this, and whenever anyone will be going to this link or this my account page, this theme will be shown. So once you are done with that, just come down below and say save all changes. Okay, and if I'm just refreshing this, so for this page I'm having this completely different theme. Okay, so this is how you can make use of the multiple themes on your website with the help of this very good option, which is making your use of the multiple themes. And this multiple theme plugin is actually very much useful and helpful if you want to display too many themes or two different themes on your one website. Then definitely you should make use of this. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So basically in this class I will show you how to make your website rank when it comes to the Google search console. So if suppose I'm coming over here and if I'm just typing out something, then I'm getting these results. Okay, so these are some of the websites which are getting ranked over here. Okay, so in order to make your website rank over here, whenever anyone is searching for any content that is related to your or niche or related to the articles which are written by you on your website, then you should submit your sitemap to the Google. Okay, so in order to do that, we will be making use of a plugin known as a Google Sitekit. So let me just do Google Sitekit. Just search for this plugin over here. Okay, so this is that particular plugin which we will be making use of. Just install this plugin. As long as you people are not submitting your Google this sitemap of your website to Google console, your website won't be getting ranked over here. Okay, so just make sure that you are installing this plugin, and I will exactly show you guys the process how to do this. So this is one of the essential step which is required in order to make your website rank over there. Okay, so after that you have to just click on activate, and just click on this start setup. Okay, so this is how the process will go on. Click on sign in with Google. So basically my website is associated with this particular Gmail account, so I will select this account. Click on allow, click on allow, then come down below, click on allow. So basically this is all about the giving necessary permissions to this particular plugin so that it is verifying. So click on proceed. Okay, so as can be seen, our first step is complete. So this is basically the verification of your domain name, and now this is the second step. And third is add site. So this is the final step over here. Okay, so now the process has been completed. So before introduction of this Google Sitekit, the process was very tedious. You just have to go remove the sitemap from the Yoast SEO plugin. Then you have to submit it to the Google's site console, and that was a tedious process. But because of this plugin, everything has been made simple. So now let's just go to the dashboard. Okay, so over here you will get the tab of Google Sitekit. Just click on that, and all the details of your Google's Sitekit and your website will be displayed over here. Okay, so how your website is doing, how many visitors you are getting, what pages are visited by the visitors on your website, all that all the statistics will be shown to you under this tab. Okay, so let's just go to the search console. Okay, so over here you will see the required details about your website, but since we have installed this plugin just now, so data is not available. But at least after 2 to 3 days you will start seeing the results over here, and this is the settings tab. So if you want to change any settings and all, then you can do that from this tab. So as of now there is nothing you have to be doing over here. Okay, so just go to the dashboard, and where is that stuff? Let's just go to the settings. I think it is inside of the settings. Okay, so when it comes to these services, you can add your AdSense account, then analytics account over here, and here's some of the other options which are given. So if you want to show the Google AdSense account, then you have to just set up your AdSense account. But make note of one thing, guys, that if you want to show the advertisements from the Google AdSense on your website, then you have to take a permission from them, and in order to get your website approved to show advertisements, there should be at least some posts on your website. As long as there are not at least around 10 posts which are posted by you on your website, don't request for approval from the Google AdSense, because if your website is new and if there are no posts, nothing is there, if your website is brand new and you are asking for permission from the AdSense, they will not give you permissions. Okay, so just make sure that there is at least some content on your website. So what you can do is you can make use of the WP automatic plugin in order to throw some post on your website. Okay, so this will at least give you some like some post. Okay, so it basically throws a post on your website automatically. So just go and view the tutorials about the WP automatic, how things are working over here. Okay, you can even connect the analytics so that you are seeing the data about how many number of the visitors are visiting your website, what data they are referring. Okay, so all that analytical data you can see with the help of the Google Analytics. You can even join this account as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about how to make your website rank on the Google Search Console with the help of the Google Sitekit. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up, guys? In the previous tutorial we have seen how to install this Google Sitekit plugin. So now I'll show you how to integrate the analytics. Click on setup analytics over here. Click on the account associated with your website. Click on allow. Click on allow over again. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm getting the option of analytics. So create account. So I was not having account with Google Analytics, so because of which I'm creating the account. Click on allow. So whatever permissions that this account creation process is asking, you just have to give all the permissions. Okay, now analytics have been integrated. Just click on this I accept. Just come down below, click on this I accept. then go to the dashboard. Okay, so now I'm getting this option of analytics have been integrated. Now let's just try to see how to integrate this AdSense. Click on this connect service. Select the account. Click on allow. Click on allow over again. Okay, so now AdSense have now we are getting the option of AdSense. Basically as of now I'm not having the account with the AdSense, so I will create the AdSense account. Over here you have to provide the name of your website, and you can select whatever option you want. So get more out of AdSense, yes. Send me the customized help and support suggestions if you want. If you don't want suggestions and the emails from the AdSense, then you can select this option, but as of now let me just select yes. And then you have to select your country. Just select whatever country where you live. Just click on this yes. Click on create account. Click on get started. Okay, so over here this is the payment address details. We have to fill out all these details and submit this form. Okay, so let me just fill out all these details and I will submit this. Let me just pause this video for a while. Okay, so after you enter all your details, then you will be taken to this page. You just have to say save and continue. Okay, so over here now this is the message which has been shown. So in order to get the approval, they will just go through your website and they will verify it, and once that process has been done, they will approve your account or disapprove based upon the quality of your website. Okay, so as of now this will it says that it will basically take less than a day. Let's see how the things goes on. So once you get the approval, then you can set your website to show the advertisement. Okay, so this is how you should be integrating your website with the Google Analytics and Google AdSense. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class I will show you how to install the ASTRA theme. So in order to do that, click on the appearance over here, and after that click on themes, and once you are on the themes, click on add new. If you have a downloaded theme, you can upload it from here, or you can do one thing, just search for ASTRA, and you will see that over here. Click on install, click on activate. Okay, so now your theme is active over here. What you can do is you just have to go to your website demo. Let me just copy this and I will paste it over here. Let me just see how my template looks. Okay, so as of now it is almost same even after installation. Let me just click on customize. Okay, so once you click on customize, you will get interface something like this. This is not so good looking, and you will, as a beginner, you will not be able to customize anything over here because this is a bit difficult. So I have one shortcut for that. Just click on this crossbar and get out of there, and now you just have to search for plugin over here. Click on the plugin, add new, and search for Elementor over here. And after that you will get these results. So just scroll down and install this one, and these are some of the other snippets which are available over here, which if you want you can install. You can install this one also, and this one, and this one as well. Okay, so these are some of the 4 to 5 snippets which you have to install. So this might take a little bit of time for things to get installed, so just wait for a while. And so once this gets installed, you just have to click on activate. Once this installation has been done, you will get this activate button over here, where you have to click and activate all these snippets. Okay, so just wait for a while. Okay, so now all these snippets have been installed. You can just click on this activate and activate them one by one, or you can do one thing, just click on this installed plugins over here, and the number of these plugins which are installed over here, you will get these options. Okay, so these are some of the Elementor options which we have just now downloaded. Just do one thing, select all of them, and this is also, and in the bulk action, click on activate and say apply. Okay, so all these plugins what are present over here will get activated all at once, or if you want to activate them one by one, or then you can do that also. Just click on this activate button. Okay, so now this has been done. Now let's just do one thing. Where is this theme? Okay, so once you activate them, you will get this option, which is, did you know, whatever that is. This is basically the thank you from the installed ASTRA. Click on get started. So basically what this will do is, this will install a few more plugins if it is required in order to start working with this ASTRA. So let's see what just happens, and this will give you some options. Okay, so I will select the page builder as Elementor over here. And after that you will be taken to the starter templates. So these are some of the starter templates. If you want to build a website for outdoor adventures, click on this theme. For pet care or the pet store, if you are building, then this is the option. So basically these are some of the starter templates which is provided by the ASTRA. If you want to build a website for a learning management system, then this is the best one. Even I have worked with the learning management system, and that time I have made use of this particular theme. Okay, so these are some of the starter templates which are given by the ASTRA. So just scroll down and select whatever template that you want, and everything over here is customizable. Let me tell you all that also. Okay, let me just proceed with you can do one thing. You can just search for whatever template that you want. Personal website. Okay, so I'm making use of the personal website, or you can just type blog over here if you are writing your personal or making your personal blog. Let me just go with this one. I will select this template, and this template basically has this 4 pages over here. You can do one thing. You can either import this entire website, which will consist of these 4 pages, or you can import one particular page. If you want this home page, then you can import that home page. If you want this work page, then you can import this work page. But as of now I want to import this complete website, so I will say import complete website, and it will import everything. Then I will say import. Okay, so this will take some time for things to set up, and once that has been done, we will be able to see our website. Okay, so now click on this visit site. So now as I'm seeing, this looks different compared to what we were able to see previously. So now what you can do is just scroll up, and you will now see this option which says edit with Elementor. Click on this option. After that you will be taken to this page where everything is editable. Okay, so now if you want to see how your website looks on cell phone, then click on this, click on the mobile option over here, and now your website will be visible on cell phone in this manner. Okay, so now again click switch to desktop mode, and now suppose you want to change this name, then I will just click on this, and now I will erase all this thing, and I will say hello, welcome to my website. Okay, so this is how you can change anything and everything present over here. If you want to change this text, then you just have to click on it, and you just have to select everything over here, whatever that is present, and you just have to say the backspace, and you can remove this. If you don't want something, then you can do that also. Just right click on this, and you can duplicate it, or you can delete it if you don't want. I will say delete, and that text will be gone. And you can even change this background image. If you want to change this background image, click on this plus, sorry, not plus, it's edit section, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so it's edit section, and you can change the settings of this section or right from this place. So let's just go to the style. Let's see from where we can change this background image. Okay, so this is that background image. You can choose a different image if you want. You can upload a image from your PC if you have some downloaded images on your PC, then you can upload it. Let me just upload this image. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so these are some of the images which are already present or with this template. You can select whatever image that you want, but let's see how this image looks or goes with this option. If you don't want to use that image, you can even make use of these free images from the Pixabay, and whatever images that are available on your website, all these images will be you will get it over here. Okay, so now let me just go with this image which is already present. I will say insert media, and now that image will be available on my site. And also make sure that whenever you make changes, you also see previewing it on the cell phone. You should also check how it looks on the cell phone and all. Okay, so this is how your website would be looking on a cell phone. Now again, let me just switch to dashboard. Now again, just scroll down, and just some of the other changes which you can implement. If you want to see the detailed tutorial about the ASTRA, you should check out my other videos. And that's all for today, guys. This is how you have to make changes, and everything's customizable. If you want to add a few more sections and all, then just click on this, and from here you can just drag and drop whatever that you want, and make the necessary changes. Okay, so if you want to insert the image, if you want to insert the header and all, everything is available which you can make use of. Thanks for watching. So okay guys, in our previous class we have seen how to install the theme, and in today's class we will see how to customize this theme. Okay, so in order to make your development process much more easier and simpler, we will be making use of Elementor. Okay, so Elementor is basically the plugin which is this one. So in order to get this plugin, just go to this plugin section, click on add new, and after coming to this, search for Elementor over here. Okay, so once you search for Elementor option, you will get some options. So you have to just click on this one and activate it. You just have to install this one also, then this one, and this one. Okay, so you have to install these few options present over here. So let this get installed, and once this gets installed, we just have to activate them. Okay, so now it's in the scene. Now I'm getting this option of activate. You can activate them by clicking on these buttons, or you can do one thing. You can just go to this installed plugin section over here, and you can activate all of them all at once. Let me just show you how to do that. Just select this one, this option, and this option. Select this bulk action and say activate, and hit apply, and after that all of these plugins will be getting activated. So as you can see, all the plugins have got activated. And once you are done with that, you just have to go to your website, and after that you will get this option which says edit with Elementor. But sometimes you won't be getting this option. You won't get this option because there are some errors, or this might clash with some other plugins. So in order to get this option, what you do is you just have to select all the plugins, and in the bulk action you have to say deactivate, and first you have to just activate all the Elementor plugins. Okay, so Elementor, all these 3 to 4 plugins what we have installed, you just have to activate them first, and after one by one activate the other plugins, and see which plugin actually having conflict with this edit with Elementor option. Sometimes you don't get this option, but still if you are not getting, then do one thing, go to pages. Let me just show you how to do that. Go to all the pages, then our primary page is our home page. Okay, this is our home page. I will say edit. I will open it in a new tab, and after coming to this home page, what you have to do is you just have to say edit with Elementor, and once you happen to do this, your Elementor option will get activated, and you can edit your home page from here. After, at least after doing this step, you should get this option. And initially as a beginner you will get this error. A few people are getting this error, few people won't get it, and let's just wait for a while for this Elementor to get loaded. Okay, so after that you will get this option. Okay, so even if you are going to this tab and saying edit with Elementor, you will get this very same options over there also. Okay, so this is our landing page. This is our home page which we can edit. If suppose now you want to edit something over here, then you can just let me just remove this first of all. Okay, you just have to drag and drop. So I will say first I will drag and drop the inner section, and our inner section got 2 columns. So I will be removing this. I will say delete, because I want only one column over here. I will drag and drop one header, and I will say this is my website. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys for the tutorial purpose, and if I want to align this at the center, I will click on this and it will be getting aligned at the center. Okay, so whenever you make any changes, you just have to say update, and once you do this update, your changes will be getting propagated. Okay, so now you can see our changes got propagated over here, but we won't be doing that. I will remove this for tutorial purpose. I had shown you guys how to do this. So now what I'll do is these are some of the pages present over here, and okay, so I think this much is enough. So this is how you can edit with Elementor option is the best one. You should definitely make use of it, and most of the developers prefer to make use of the edit with Elementor option, because this makes your development process quite easy and simple. So see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we will learn something new. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorials about WordPress. So basically in this class we will be looking at the slides. So just drag and drop this slides option over here. Okay, so basically this is all about the as of now, if I'm just scrolling horizontally, there are these 3 slides which you people can see. If you want to add more, you can just click on this add item, and now this 4th slide has been added. So as can be seen, there are 4 dots over here. If you want to add even more, then just click on this add item, and you can add as much as options that you want. Okay, so these are basically the slides that you see over here. So now let me just show you how to customize these slides. Let me just go to this first slide over here. I will click over here, and from here I can change the content of my slide. Okay, so basically this is my first slide. I can change its color, whatever color I want. I can just select it. If suppose I want it to be green in color, then I will select the green. Now let me just go to my first slide, then it's green in color. Okay, but if you want to choose an image, then you can choose image from this place. Let me just choose this one. Okay, so if I'm just going to this my first slide, so as can be seen, for background, this is the image what it is showing. So when it comes to the size of this background image, I can just say cover contain or auto, if I just select the size as contain, then it is just containing the image. Okay, so basically this is the original size of the image, and because of which it is just get contained inside of this much of space. But if I'm just saying auto, then it will just automatically adjust the size. But if I'm just saying cover, then it will automatically stretch the image to cover the entire place over here. Okay, so now this is the these are some of the effects, like if you want to show effects on the image, like currently the effect is zoom in, and because of it it is just zooming in. Then there is a zoom out option, then it is just zooming out. As can be seen, it is just going backwards. And if you want to just show this as a background overlay, then you can do that also. Okay, so when it comes to the background overlay, now that image is shown as a background. Okay, so as can be seen, when you select the background overlay option, your slide tend to look much better. Okay, so now this blending option, whether you want to blend the colors, then you can just select these options. Let's see what this do. So basically I had never used this option. Let me just go back. Okay, let's just keep it normal only. I don't have much experience with the blending. And now let's just try to customize the second slide. Let's just go with the second slide. This is the second slide. Okay, so if you want to choose the image for second slide, then I can do that. Let me just select this image. This is my second slide. Okay, so for second slide, this is the image which is given by me, and I will select this as the background overlay. And when it comes to this slide, I can change its content, the content what you see over here from this place. Okay, so this is the content heading. I will say this is firefighter. Okay, just make sure that this first letter is capital and all. Okay, so just go through this. As of now, I'm not making the exact perfection, because this is just for tutorial purpose. And I will say this is description. Okay, so whatever you want to write, you can write, or you can just keep it blank, just remove it, and that description will be gone from here. And next what I have is this button. Okay, now when it comes to this button, what you see over here, this button, whatever text that you type over here, it will come on the top of this button. So I will say press button, and it will change the text on the top of this button as a press button. And if you want a user to take some other link, like if suppose the user is coming and clicking on this link, and if you want to send that user to some different location, like if suppose I want to send a user to the home, then what I'll do is I will copy this home address. I'll come over here and I will paste it over here. Okay, and when the link is applied, it will be applied only on the button, or whether you want to apply it on the whole slide, that you can select. If suppose if you are selecting the option as a button only, when the user will click on this button only, then only that user will be propagated to this link. And if you are selecting the whole slide, then whenever a user will come and click anywhere on this slide, then the person will be taken to this link. Okay, so you can manipulate those options from this place. And next is style. Okay, so if you want to change the style of this slide, style of this particular slide, then you can do that from here. So click on this custom, just custom position on, then you can select the horizontal position, where you like if I'm just saying the left, then the content will be shown on the left. If I'm just saying to the right, then content of this slide will be shown at the right. And if I'm just doing center, then the content will be shown at the center. This is the vertical positions. Okay, so where you want to show at the top, then the whether on the middle, center, or the at the bottom position. And this is the text align, whether left or right, left, center, or at the right. Okay, and this is the content color. So you can just select whatever color you want. You can just select this black, then this content will be black in color. You can just select white, and the color of the text over here will be white in color. So basically this is how you can select, and this is the text shadow. Okay, so over here I am having this text. If I want to show them the shadow, then I can just do that. I want to show the shadow of blue, then as of now you cannot see the shadow and all over here, so because of it, it would be a good idea to keep this white, because these are basically the slides. But let's try to show the some slide. Let me just have the shadow of blue color. I will make it a little bit darker. Okay, so this is that slide, but still as of now I'm not able to see the shadow. But let me just make it blur and see. Okay, the shadow can't be seen because of this background is also a little bit dark. But from this place you can just move this shadow and see. Okay, so as of now the shadow is not visible, but if you want to show the shadow and all, from this option you can do that. Now let's go to the third slide. Rest everything is same, just select some random options. This is the fourth one. Okay, so now as can be seen, my slider is ready, and this is how you can put a slider in for your website. And when it comes to the slider is basically mostly used in personalized websites or professional websites, like that of your website of your company and all. Okay, so this is basically used after the heading, just beneath your heading, just in order to show some pictures about your website. This also makes the navigation very easy. Okay, so if you want to show some slides, and if you are providing the link and all, like that of this one on the button, then the navigation becomes easier. Okay, so this is all about slides, guys. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. And previously we have seen how to display these logos, and how to display these icons. And now in this class we will learn something about the icon box. Okay, so icon box, here it is. So we will be making use of the similar kind of configuration. First of all, I have to make use of the inner section. Where is that inner section? Just drag and drop the inner section over here. Inner section, where it is not coming. Okay, so now I'm having this inner section which got two columns. I'll come over here and I will search for icon, and this is the icon box. Just drag and drop it over here, and now as you can see, this looks better. So now what you can do is just right click on duplicate. I want this 3 number of times, duplicate, and let me just remove this last column. Okay, so I will say delete. Okay, so currently I'm having these 3 columns with the icon, heading, and paragraph as well. Whatever that is not required by you can remove it, no issues with that. Okay, so first of all, let's just try to edit this first one. Just go to the icon library. Let me just select some random icons present over here. Then I will come to the text. This is the text. I will say doctor, and this is the paragraph which is associated with it. I don't want that this paragraph, so I will just basically remove it. And next comes the styling. This is the content box, icon content, from where you can change the content, logo, everything. So if you want to change the view, there are 3 options: default, text, and frame. So when it comes to the text, if you click on the text, you will get this round circle kind of a thing, and if you click on framed, then this is how it would look. Okay, so this looks much better. So now what I'll do is I will go to the styling, and this is the primary color. Let me just choose blue color over here. Okay, so now my icon is blue in color, and let's see what happens with the secondary color. Secondary color is basically the internal color, but if you want, you can make use of any color, or you can do one thing, just keep it white only, not required. And there comes the spacing. Okay, so spacing is basically the spacing between the icon and the text, and this is the size. Okay, size of your logo or icon, sorry. Okay, this much is enough. Then the padding, rotation, which these things we have already seen, so I won't be going in depth over again. And now if I want, I can give the border to this entire stuff. As of now, I'm not in need of it, so I will just remove it. The border actually don't will not look good, and somewhere this border option is enabled. Border. Okay, so let it be. And this is my next icon. Over again, I will select some random icon present inside of my library. Let me just go with the stopwatch. I will say insert, and then I can do one thing. I will say clock. I will remove this text over here. I will go inside of the style to style this particular thing. So my primary color will be green. Then the size, I want to change this size. Okay, this much size is more than enough. This is a little bit big. This looks much better. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will go to the advanced section, and from the advanced you can change the padding, margin, everything, all those stuff. As of now, you guys must be knowing how to do these things. Let me just remove this upper section. This don't look so good, but in a previous tutorial we have seen how to customize those things. Let me just do one thing. I will remove this section also. As of now, I don't want to do the hard work of replicating the entire thing, so instead I will do one thing. I will replicate the column, and let me remove this last column, and yeah, now I'll click on this pencil icon over here, and I will change the icon to the store. I will say insert, and now boom, this is ready. Okay, so now over here, if you want to change or make changes to this thing, then you can do that. Let me just make use of stacked. Size is just too big, so I can do change that size from here. Okay, so this looks much better. Okay guys, so this is how you can make use of the icon box, and you will basically make use of this in your future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and thanks for everything. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to make use of icons, or how to display icons. Okay, so these are some of the settings which I came across while working on one of my projects. Sorry. Okay, so what I'll do is I will just right click on this, and I will duplicate one column, because I want 3 columns over here. Okay, so now I'm having this first, second and third column. Next what I'll do is I will click on this icon over here. Let me just scroll down, and there is this icon option. Just drag and drop it inside of the column. Okay, oops, I think it gone top above. Let me just delete it from here. Okay, so whenever you're dropping anything, just make sure that you are dropping it inside of this column only. Okay, so now let me just drag and drop it over again. Why is this not working? Okay guys, let me just do it over again. Just drag it and okay, so this is the last time I'm trying. Just drop it over here inside of the column. Okay, so now I'm getting this. It's inside of this column. So this is how you can make use of the icon. You can display the icon inside of the column. Now what I'll do, I will just duplicate this and I will duplicate this one more time. And I will delete these two columns. Okay, so now suppose now if you want to change this icon and all, then click on this pencil icon to change this icon. Okay, and you can give the link over here if you want, but now let me just show you how to change this icon. Click on the icon library and there are a lot many icons present over here. You can select whatever icon that you want. You can even upload if you have, or you can just select from these are some of the options which are present over. If you are searching for uh, something specific, then you can search that particular icon over here. Okay, so as of now I'm not looking for something specific, so I will randomly pick few. First I will pick this address, then I will come over here and let me just choose a different icon over here. Let me just choose this icon. Okay, so as of now I am having these three icons. Now if suppose I want to change the background color of this and all, if suppose I want to change the background color of this section, then click on these three dots. Now I will show you how to edit the section. So now what I want is I want a little bit of spacing on the top and the down below. So I'll go to the advanced and padding is basically the internal spacing, and if you want the space outside of this section, then you have to give the you have to fill out this margin options. Okay, but I want to give the padding, so what I'll do, I will link values together. Okay, so if you click on this link values together, whatever value that you give at one position, if suppose I'm giving one over here, it will add one in all the directions, like top, bottom, left and right. I don't want it. Okay, so I will just unclick this, and now what I will do, I will give the 5 on the top and 5 at the bottom. Okay, so now this looks much better, or maybe should I give it 10? I think 10 is better. Next what I'll do is I will give the background or change the background color of this particular logos. So I'll click on the pencil icon, then I will go to the style, and this is the size and everything. Okay, so if you want to increase the size of the logo, then you can do that. And if you want to rotate this logo and all, then you can do it from here. Okay, so this is how you can rotate your logo. And now let's just see the primary color. If I'm just selecting the primary color is basically the color of the icon. If you want to turn this into green in color, then just select green. If you want to, if you don't want these colors present over here, if you want some other different color, then click on this manage global colors. Okay, sorry, this is not that option. Okay, so these are some of the global colors which are added over here. You can make use of them, but let me just scroll down below. Where was I? Okay, so here I am. What's the issue with this website? Okay, so just click on this pencil icon over here, and just go to the advanced. I just hope there is option over here, background. Okay, so this is that option, background. Over here you just have to change the color over here, background type. Click on classic, and if you want to upload the image in the background, then you can do that. Just upload the image over here, or you can change the color. Let me just choose the background color as this color, and now it's going to be seen that color has been changed. Just click on this option if you want to select some different color and all. Okay, so you can just select whatever color that you want from this slider, and now suppose you want to change the color of this, click on this pencil icon, and go to the advanced, scroll down, click on background. Okay, for this let's try to upload the image. Click on the classic, click on the choose image, media library, and let me just choose, okay, I'll go with this image. I will say insert media, and now I'm having this image. Okay, so this is how you can upload the image as well. There are no issues with that, and you can replicate the same thing for this icon as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is how you can display the icons, and also you can change the background color of that icon. Okay, so I have forgotten to show you how to change the background color of this section. Okay, so click on these three dots, click on advanced, scroll down, and okay, so that changing the background option is not present over here. Let's see whether it is available inside of the style. Okay, so inside of the style, go to the background overlay, and from here you can change the background color. Over here also you can upload the image if you want, but let me just show you how to add the color. Okay, let me just choose this green color, and now it's going to be seen. Now I'm getting this green color for this particular section. Okay, so thanks for watching. This is how you can customize things and make things work for you all. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. Okay, so in this class we will see some of the features of Elementor. So just do one thing, go to the top. At the beginning you will see this inner section option from the basics, and just drag and drop the inner section over here. Okay, so inside of this inner section we have these two columns. Okay, if you want three columns and all, do one thing, just click on any of this column, right click on this and click on duplicate. Okay, so as of now as can be seen, as I have duplicated this, now I'm having these three columns. Okay, so just click on this top button over here and just scroll down, and where is that option? Okay, so down below inside of this premium add-on section you will see this premium banner option. Just do one thing, just drag and drop it inside of this column. Okay, so just drop it inside of the column only, and now this is the best one of the best option which I came across. So now what you do is you just have to select one image over here. If you have image on your PC and all, then you can upload it over here, and then you can make use of so as of now I'll be making use of the images from the media. Let me just select this image. I will say insert media. Okay, so now I'm having this image over here. As I am taking my mouse, as you can see that this image is showing some text like header and some paragraph. Okay, so now let me just show you how to mess with these options. Just scroll down, and here are the effect. 6 effects are there. You can select whatever effect that you want. Let's see what this effect 2 does. If I'm taking my mouse over, now I'm getting this paragraph and text appearing from the down below. Let's see effect 3. So now header is coming from the left hand side and the paragraph is coming from the right hand side, and I'm getting this underline over here. So these are some of the effects. So now what I'll do is let me just do one thing. If you want to change this header over here which says premium banner, and then I'm having this paragraph, if you want to change this contact, then if you want to change that content, and you have to just basically change this title over here. So whatever title you give over here, it will appear over here. Okay, so let me just remove this, and I will say hello there. Okay, so now as you can see, it says hello there. And after that, I'm having this paragraph appearing down below. This is the paragraph content. Okay, if you just want to change this paragraph content, you can do it from here. So this is how you can change it. Now this was all about the content. Now let's again go to the image. Okay, so now what I'll do is I just wanted to show you all how to change the opacity of the image. So go to the style, I think is there in the style. Okay, so as of now the opacity of the image is 1. That means you can clearly see the image, and even when I take mouse over it, you can see the image clearly. Now if suppose you want to when I take my mouse over, if you want to change the opacity of the image, and you just have to highlight this text and all, then you can do that. This is the image opacity, and this is the hover opacity. Okay, so whenever you will be hovering or taking the mouse on this image, you can just change the opacity. I will say I want to decrease the opacity of the image to 0.4. Okay, so as can be seen, as I'm taking the mouse over, the opacity has reduced and it has turned into a little bit of white in color, as can be seen over here. So this is how you can change that opacity. But if suppose you want to give the opacity of the image as a full 100%, 1 means 100% when I'm taking the mouse, and if suppose you want to have the opacity as 0.3 before, and as I'm taking the mouse it is changing its opacity, this is also possible. Okay, so this is something reverse. And there's some of the other options, like if you want to give the let me just keep this normal, and I want to change the opacity only when I'm taking the mouse over it. Okay, so now if you want to change the border of this image and all, then you can do that. Just increase or decrease the border. Okay, as can be seen, now the border is changing. If you want to blend it, then you can blend, you can use the blender also. Okay, so I have never used the blender, so I don't know how to use it. Let's keep it normal only. And now let's go to the text. So text is basically this hello there, this is the title text. Okay, so if you want to change the color of this title, then you can do that. Just click on this option. Now suppose I want it to be blue in color, then select this as primary. Now if I'm just taking the mouse over, it is blue in color. Typography is basically the handwriting. Okay, so this is text what you want. If you want to change the typography of it, I will say accent. Then now it can, as can be seen, the font of this text has been changed. Then the title border color, this is the border, or what you see over here, this is white in color. If I want to change the border color, then I can do that. I will say border as a green in color. Okay, so now let me just hover over, and now it's green in color. If suppose I want to give the shadow to this text, then I can do that. I will click on the shadow. I can choose how much blurrier I want my shadow to be, from the vertical height, how far I want my border to be, and from the this horizontal vertical height. These are the two options. So as of now, as can be seen, there is no shadow, because I have to choose the color of my shadow. I will choose dark. Okay, so now let's see whether it has appeared or not. Okay, let me just remove this. Why the hell this is not going? Okay. Okay, so now you can see there is a slight border. It is quite not visible, but it's there. Okay, so if you want to again choose it, then let me just not make it blur. Okay, so it is not visible. I don't know for what reason it is not visible. Okay, so if you just see this line, it is now it is little bit dark. Just I want to make it darker. Okay, so it is not quite visible, but it is over here. Okay, so if you just see closely, it is there. So this is how you can apply the all these changes over here. If you want a margin from the top and down, then you can do that. Margin around this text, by the way. I will say from the left hand side, this is a little bit close to this boundary, this text, so I will give a little bit of margin from the left, so I will give the margin as level. Okay, so now this is the margin which I have got. if you want other values to be 0, then you can just remove it. I don't know for what reason I'm not able to give the margin from the all the equal sides, but let it be. If even if we level from all the corners from the top, right, bottom and the left, it's okay. Okay, and next comes our description is basically this text what you see over here. If you want to change the color of the text, then you can just do that. Let me just select green and let's see how it looks. Okay, so now everything is green in color. I will do one thing. I will select this black looks better. Okay, and if you want to give the shadow, then you can do that. If you want a margin, you can do that also. And next comes the container. Okay, so container is basically the space around elements. So if you want to give the border to the container, then you can give that. I have given the border as a solid. Okay, so now as can be seen, you can see this blue color border over here. Okay, so this is all because of that border. If you want to give the width to this border, then let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so now this border is clearly visible. This is that border. Okay, so if I had not given the corner to this image, that border would have been prominent. So if you want to give the color to that border and all, okay, so there are types of borders. Okay, solid, double, dotted, dashed, and a groove. These are some of the options which we get when it comes to the borders. And if you want to give the border radius, you can do that. Okay, so now I am giving the border radius. So this is my border radius. Okay, so next comes the border shadow. If you want to give the shadow to this border, then you can do that. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm getting this border shadow. Let me just give the color. I will give this dark color, and over again I want to give edit something from the this is how you can change the horizontal movement of your shadow. Okay, so I want this shadow to be over here, and vertically I want it to be a little bit down below. Okay, and when then comes the blurrier part. Okay, so how blurrier you want your shadow to be. Now this looks something off track. Spread is basically the radius of your border, how far or close you want your border to be from this element. Currently the element for which we are giving the border is this container. Okay, so this is how it looks, the content, text, image, everything. If you want to duplicate this, then do one thing, just click on this pencil icon, just right click on it and click on duplicate. Okay, so whatever that is there inside of this container, it will be getting duplicated. Oops, it got duplicated vertically. I don't want it to get duplicated vertically. I want it to get duplicated horizontally. Okay, so now let me just remove this. And okay, so if you want to remove this element horizontally, I mean duplicate this element horizontally, then click on this column tab, just right click and click on duplicate. Okay, so now I'm having this another element. So now if you want to make changes to this column, just click on this pencil icon. Now if suppose you want to choose some different image, then you can do that. Choose some different image over here, click insert. Okay, so now if suppose you want to give some different effect to this, then you can do that also. Let me just select the effect 6. Okay, so now this is the effect 6. Okay, so this also looks good. If you want to provide the link associated with this element and all, then you can do that. Just click on this yes, and you just have to, if you want to give the custom link, then click on yes over here and paste that custom link over here. And if you want to give this exit image, let me see what is this. Okay, so if you want to link any of your image, these are some of the if you want to link any of the page, so you can link those pages also. Okay, so these are some of the pages which are present on my website. I can link any of my page, but if you want to give the link, then you can give that custom link over here. Okay guys, so this is all about this option, and I think I've already shown you all the possible number of the settings which you can make use of with this particular element. Thanks just for watching.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the tutorial of WordPress. So basically in this class I will show you how to create your subdomain and how to host the subdomain. So in order to do that, just click on this hosting, and the number of the websites you have, you will see those websites over here. Currently I'm having only one website, which is aestheticdeponet.com. So whatever whichever website you have, and if you want to create a subdomain of that particular website, then you just have to click on this corresponding manage button over here. So click on this manage. Then after that you will get this dashboard over here. Just scroll down. Just scroll down to this option, which is the domains, and over here you will see this subdomains. And over here you have to create your subdomain. I will say demo, and after that I will say create. Okay, so now as you can see, my subdomain has been created. If you want, you can delete it from here. So now what I'll do is I will click on hosting over again. Then again I will click on manage, and over here you will see this WordPress option. Okay, so inside of this WordPress you have to click on the dashboard. Currently it's taking a little bit of time for things to get loaded. So just scroll down and click on this install another WordPress. Then you'll be taken to this page. Just scroll down and click on this WordPress, and over here you have to select this HTTPS option in order to make your website secure and safe. And after that you will get these options over here. Now after coming to this page, you have to enter your password, website name, and language is English, which is already selected. But from this you have to select your subdomain. Okay, so once you do that, you have to enter your password, website name, and select the language. Let me just do that. I will pause this video for a while. Okay, so now I have entered my password, website name, and the language also selected by me. I will just scroll down and I will say install. Okay, so this might take some time, like 1 or 2 minutes for things to get set up, and once that has been done, you can proceed further. Okay, so now installation has been completed. So this is that website which is installed by me. Now I can click on this link and preview how the demo looks. So as of now, as can be seen, I'm not able to see the demo. Let me just refresh this. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, let's just go to this WordPress and let's see. Okay, so after coming to this page, just okay, I think there is a problem with this SSL certificate. So now what you can do is you can just keep this option off only. I think you have to pay some extra money if you want to make this website SSL secure. So now if I'm just removing this S and going to this demo, then now as can be seen, this is getting opened. Okay, so the problem was with the SSL certificate. If I want to turn or make this website secure, then I have to pay some extra money, which is as of now is not possible. But if you want to make your website secure, you can take this SSL certificate from the Cloudflare. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my video on my channel. It is available. But as of now, as can be seen, this website is working fine. Okay, so now if you want to make changes to this, just do one thing. Just put one /, then wp-admin over here and click enter. Then you will get the this option where to enter your password and the username, which is put by you just now, few minutes back, and you will be able to access your website. Okay, so over here you have to enter the password, and when it comes to the email ID or the username, you will get that email ID or username inside of these details. You just have to pick up this email ID or username, whatever that is. Just copy this and paste it over here, or even the email ID would work. Then click on this remember me if you don't want to enter the username and the password over and over again. okay, and click on login. Okay, so let me just enter the username and password over again. Okay, so now I am logged in. Okay, so once you are inside of your website, this is a website which is created by me with this subdomain. If you want, you can save this password. I will say save, and now you can install the plugins from here. And this is similar to your main website. Everything is almost similar. You can install whatever you want, and you can change the appearance. If you want to change the theme and all, then click on this theme over here. And if you want to add a new theme, then click on add new. Astra is the best option, so just do one thing, click on search for Astra over here, and this is that theme Astra. You just have to install this. Okay, so this is how you have to make your subdomain and install it, and you can host it on the hosting. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and watch my other videos as well. Thanks for watching. Hey, what's up guys, in this class we will see how to install the WordPress. So click on manage over here. After, first of all, you have to go to the hosting and then click on that manage. Okay, after that you'll be taken to this panel. Just scroll down and click on auto installer, then click on this option select, and after that if you want to make your website secure, then go for this first option over here, which is HTTPS, and this is your domain and this is your other required information. Over here you have to give your password, administrator password, and this is the website title. If you want, you can give over here, or from the dashboard also you can change this, but as of now let me just give the password over here. Okay, once you give the password and the website name, click on install. Okay, it's showing an error. I think it is because of this HTTP. Click on install. Okay, currently I'm getting this error over here. We have to select the language, click on install. Okay, so this will basically take some time for things to set up, and all the setting the environment and installation, everything. So let's just wait for a while. It is taking a little bit of time to make things go and install everything. Okay, so now it has been installed. From this you can just directly go to your website and access it. Currently, as of now, this is the sample website and it says not secured, because we have to redirect our website from the HTTP to HTTPS. From this you can directly go to your WordPress, and over here you will see the required information about your website. Okay, so this is that option of HTTP and HTTPS. Let's see whether this is working or not. Okay, you have to turn this on. Now let me just refresh this over again and see. Okay, so as can be seen, now our website is secured. So you just have to change this option, then just scroll down, and this is other required information about your website. Now what you can do is, if you want to edit your website, you can click on this edit website and do that, or you can do one more thing. Let me just show you how to edit your website from this option. Okay, so after that you will be taken to this dashboard of the WordPress, from where you can edit your website, install everything, install the plugins, customization, everything will take place. Or there is one more way by which you can edit your website, or you can log in inside of your website. And in order to do that, let me just show you one thing. Just go to your WordPress and just type in WP admin over here. okay. And after that you'll be taken to your this dashboard. Okay, so basically what happens is, now let me just show you this in the incognito. This is the aesthetic debonair. So whenever you will be logged down, and whenever if you want to access your website from the any portal, you just have to do one thing: type out the name of your website. Just come over here and type out name of your website, then the forward slash and wp admin. Once you are done with that, click on enter key, and over here you have to enter your email or username and a password which you have set during the installation process. So what I'll do is I will use the very same email ID and the password, then I will hit the login. And this is how you can log into your dashboard of your website from anywhere you want. Okay, so this is how you have to install and log into your dashboard. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and share this video with your friends as well. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys, in this class I will show you how to increase the upload limit which is put up by this all-in-one WP Migrate. So basically I have this plugin. I will provide the link of this plugin in the description of this video or anywhere associated with this video. So this is the very old version of the all-in-one WP which is allowing you to change this limit. Okay, so I have changed this limit to 10 GB, and let me show you how to do that. Just go to plugin editor over here. Inside of the plugin, click on this plugin editor, and after that you have to select all-in-one WP and select over here, and after that you have to go to this constants.php and just scroll down somewhere around 254 line 254. Okay, over here you will see this maximum file size. Okay, so initially this will be this number, and what you have to do is put this multiplication sign and multiply it by 20. Okay, so once when you do this, just initially let me just show you how this will be. Initially when you will be coming to this 254 line, you will get value something like this. You just have to come over here and put one asterisk and multiply it by 20, and once you make these changes, just scroll down and click on this update file, and once this has been done, you will get this message: file edited successfully. Then just go to this import option over here, and now you will see this value of 10 GB. Okay, so now you just have to click on this import file, click on this file, and currently my file is present inside of this. I will just select this file, and it will upload it. Okay, so if you want, you can just interrupt this import by clicking this stop import, or you can just let this import continue, and once everything has been uploaded or imported 100%, then you will be able to see your imported website. Okay, so this is how you can change the limit and import the website. Thanks for watching.